Hi, welcome to the series of Jaspersoft reports. In this video, we are going to see how we can connect to Jasper report server from the studio, and we will also see how we can publish a report with resource to the server. The agenda for this session is, firstly, I will walk you through on how we can connect to Jasper report server. Secondly, we will see how we can create a project folder structure and a data source connection in the repository. Then we take a look on what are the resources for a report and what is the strategy involved in publishing a report. And finally, we will see an example on how we can publish a product detail report with a image resource to the server. Let's get started. Connect to Jasper report server in Studio. To connect to a Jasper report server from the Studio, we need to be in the repository explorer section of the Studio. So open the Studio, click on repository explorer. We can see there are two sections available. One is data adapters and the other is servers. Select the servers node here, right click on it, and then click on create Jasper report server connection. In the server profile wizard, let us give all the details required to make a connection to the Jasper report server. To start with, let's give the name as local Jasper reports 2021. For this demonstration, I am going to connect to a server which is installed in my local machine. The server that is installed in a local machine will get the local host and it runs on 8080 port number. It is required to provide organization ID if it is an enterprise server. Basically, we use this organization if the server is configured in a multi-tenant environment. For this example, let us keep providing the organization. So provide the username and password details. The default username and password for a locally installed Jaspersoft server is super user and super user. So we have provided the basic information to make the connection. Now, before testing the connection, let us walk through the advanced settings of Jaspersoft server. Jasper report server offers three different types of authentication models. They are password, ask password, single sign-on. If we choose password as the authentication model, we need to provide username and password. And if we use ask password as the authentication type, then we need to provide password every time we make a connection to the server. Single sign-on is the advanced mechanism of authenticating to a server. We can implement single sign-on to the Jasper server using cache server. For example, if we choose this single sign-on, we have to provide the cache server URL in the drop-down of SSO server just beneath to the organization text box here. By default, for a locally installed Jasper server, it uses the REST protocol. So let us go back to the password, which is the default one here. So moving on to the next property, we can see the protocol type as REST here. And this has got three options. They are REST only, SOAP only, REST if fails, then SOAP. So by default, Jasper Design Studio uses the REST protocol to connect to the Jaspersoft server. If it fails, then it uses the SOAP. We can stick to either only REST only protocol or SOAP only protocol. But let us go with the default options with this demonstration, which is REST if fails, then SOAP. We can also see several other properties that we use based on specific requirement when we make a connection to the server. So let's go with the default options here. Now click on the text connection. We can see the connection is successful. So click OK, click finish. As we finish, we can see a new node a new node is created under the server section of the repository explorer. This is nothing but we have connected to the Jasper server. We can see the contents of Jasper server if we refresh this node. So let us quickly refresh this one to see what are the contents of the Jasper server. So organizations, public, temp, themes, these are the folders available in the Jasper server. Now let us move on to the next topic, which is creating a project folder structure in the repository. And then we will see how we can make a data source connection in the repository. Access the Jasper report server in a web browser using localhost 8080, then the Jasper server Pro. Navigate to this root folder from view repository from the menu bar. From the left side wizard, select the root node, which is root here, right click on it, and then click on add folder. And let's provide the project name as Jasper Reports 2021. The description is optional for a folder. Let us create two more subfolders under this project folder, namely reports and resources. So create reports folder here. Then the other one is resources. We are going to publish a report under reports folder, and we are going to create a data source connection under resources folder. Now let us see how we can create a data source connection within the server. For that, select the resources folder here, right click on it, and then click on add resource, and then select the data source option. In the no data source page, by default, the JDBC driver is taken as Postgres. The example report that we are going to publish this report will run on PostgreSQL server on the Foodmart database. So let us go with the default PostgreSQL driver with the default host. And the server is running on 5432 and the database connection here is Foodmart. The credentials for this database are Postgres and Postgres. Click on the test connection button in the bottom here. You can see the connection has passed. Now let us save this connection under resources folder by clicking on this save button here. So click on save button, then give it a name, Foodmart, and optionally we can give description, and let's save this connection under resources folder. So click on save. Now we can see the connection is created under resources folder of the Jasper report server. Now let us see what are the resources for a report. We can consider an image, a data source connection, a query resource, or set of parameters, or resource bundles, sub-reports, or the resources of a report. When we publish a report to the server also takes these resources for the report. Now it is time to publish a report with a resource to the Jasper server. Let us consider the scenario of product detail report with a image resource. So while we publishing the report, we will see what is the strategy involved with resources and what are the types of the resources. There are basically three types of strategies. They are override, ignore, override only expression. When we choose override as the publishing strategy, It creates a new resource or overrides an existing resource with the current version. If you choose ignore, it ignores the resources. If you choose override only expression, then it updates the expression for the resource. By default, a resource takes the override option with repo, then the resource name syntax. And it also takes the type as type from one of these lists. A resource type can be of 3 types again here. They are use local resource, link to resource, use local resource. This one should be saved to folder here. Save to folder. This option saves the resource to a location anywhere on the Jasper report server instance. If you choose link to resource option, it links to an existing resource on the Jasper report server. If you choose type as use local resource, it saves a resource inside the report unit on the Jasper report server. Let us see how we can publish this product detail report with image resource to the server now. From the studio, open the Project Explorer folder. I already have a product detail report created already. So let's open this report. Let's take an image as a resource to the report. So from the palette, drag and drop the image element onto the title band and select the TIBCO image from the absolute path. So click on browse button to select the image from the pictures folder here. So I have it here as a TIBCO, then click OK. Adjust the height of the image to the height of the its subsequent text field here. So save the report. So as soon as some changes done and save the report, we can see export report to Jasper report server. This is one way of publishing the report to the server, but let us go with the utility of publishing a report from the icon bar. So click on this icon bar from the top right corner. Now from the list of available connection, let us select the one that we just created for this demonstration, which is local Jasper reports 2021 here. Then select the project folder here, and we are going to publish the report to the reports folder. So let's select this one and provide the report units here. Report units contains its name and the ID, which is constant. We cannot change once it is published to the server. So we need to be cautious while giving the report IDs. Then the description is optional, but let us give the report name as the description for this demo. So click on next. So here it comes, the resources section. So when we publish this report, the server also takes all the resources that are being used by the report. By default, it takes the publishing strategy as override with use local resource as type. If we choose this option, this resource will become a report unit. And the expression will be taken as repo, then the resource name, which is tibco.png in this case. So we can change this expression if we want based on the based on the publishing strategy or based on the type we provide. So with the override option, by default, we have repo : TIBCO PNG as the report unit. So click next. Then in the configure data source wizard, let us select the first option, which is data source from the repository. So click on this one, then select the data source that we just created in the server. Let us search with the name. So this data source is available under Jasper Reports 2021 resources, then footnotes. So select the top one here and then click on finish. We can see a success message if there are no issues while publishing the report. We can see what is published to the server. Here the JRXML is published and the resource that is being used by the report, which is TIBCO PNG. So click OK. Now let's run the report from the reports folder in the server. So navigate to the report folder and from the canvas, select the report, then click on run button. We can see the image is taken as a resource to the report. We can see this as a report unit if we edit the report from the middle section of the server. So select the report and click on edit. We can see the tibco.png as a report unit to the report. So if we click on this controls and resources in the edit page of the report, we can see that the available resources are listed here, which in this case, it is tibco.png. If we have some other resources like sub-reports or resource bundle files, when we publish the report, the server take those resources and keep them here in the resources section. So this is how we can make a connection to the Jasper report server in the Studio, and this is how we can publish a report from Studio to the server. So this brings us to the end of our session on this concept. But before we wrap up, let us do a quick recap of what we have seen so far. So we have seen firstly how we can make a connection to Jasper report server. Secondly, we have seen how we can create a project folder structure and how we can make a data source connection in the repository. Then we walked through what are the resources for a report and the publishing strategy for the resources. And finally, we have seen how we can publish a product detail report with a image resource. I hope you're a bit clearer on what we saw today. So that's all for this session. Thank you for watching. Let's get stay tuned for more updates on the Jasper Soft reports.